Gabe has some shapes. I can see that. He puts them into two groups based on their properties as shown below. Group A, Group B. Now looking at Group A, we have a four-sided figure, it's a rhombus. We have a four-sided figure, it's a square, and a four-sided figure, that's a rectangle. So all of these are four-sided figures, also known as quadrilaterals. Group B, you have a three-sided figure, so a triangle, three-sided figure, triangle, three-sided figure, triangle. So three sides, triangles. Now, which shape could be placed into Group A? Well, we need a four-sided figure. So A has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So A is probably in Group A, but let's check the others. B has 1, 2, 3 sides, so B would go to Group B. C has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, so you're a pentagon, so you wouldn't go into either group. And D has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, so you're also a pentagon, so you wouldn't go into either group. So the only one that makes sense here is A. A goes into A because that is a four-sided figure.